As we bid farewell to the winter chill, it's time to welcome the refreshing vibes of spring. And what better way to prepare for the vibrant season ahead than with our extraordinary new spring guide, introducing your ultimate companion for embracing the changing seasons with open arms. Our spring guide is packed with an array of products curated to support you on your journey and has everything you're looking for this spring. From extraordinary essential oils and blends like Juveflex, German chamomile or bergamot, to a wide variety of cleaning products from our Thieves line, including our Thieves household cleaner, Thieves laundry soap, or Thieves fruit and veggie soak, as well as our food supplements such as Super C, Super Vitamin D, or BLM. Discover endless possibilities to enhance every part of your daily routine. Embark on this transformative journey with our spring guide and embrace the beauty and possibilities that spring brings.